फेमस है ही, बट सबसे ज़्यादा टूरिस्ट यहाँ सनसेट को एंजॉय करने के लिए आते हैं। यहाँ पे इस शहर के शोर में भी आप शांति पा सकते हैं। ढलता हुआ सूरज और लहरों की आवाज़ सुनते हुए, चाय की चुस्कियाँ लेते हुए कब समय बीत जाता है पता ही नहीं चलता। मरीन ड्राइव एक 4 किलोमीटर का आर्क है जो नरीमन पॉइंट से शुरू होकर गिरगांव चौपाटी तक खत्म होता है, और इसे पूरा कवर करने के लिए आपको 1 घंटा लग जाएगा। इसे क्वींस नेकलेस भी बोला जाता है क्योंकि रात में इसके स्ट्रीट लाइट्स एक नेकलेस की पर्ल्स की तरह चमक उठते हैं। यहाँ आप डायरेक्ट चर्चगेट स्टेशन से भी आ सकते हैं। चल के करीब आपको 2 से 5 मिनट लग जाएगा। यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं ट्राइडेंट होटल, जो एक टाइम पे इंडिया का सबसे ऊंचा होटल हुआ करता था, जो 30 फ्लोर टॉल था। मरीन ड्राइव के लास्ट में यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं नरीमन पॉइंट। इसे अभी बंद कर दिया गया है, वरना पहले भी यहाँ लोग जाकर फोटोज क्लिक करते थे। बाय द वे, अगर आप बॉलीवुड फिल्म्स देखते हैं तो आपको याद होगा कि मुन्ना भाई MBBS और वेकअप सेट के कुछ सीन्स यहाँ शूट हुए थे। After this, we went to Delhi Darbar to have some delicious food. It is believed that it is one of the oldest and finest restaurant in Mumbai since 1946. यहाँ से खाना खाने के बाद हम गए मुंबई के फेमस और यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज टर्मिनल्स पे। ये दुनिया के बेहतरीन फंक्शनल रेलवे स्टेशन में से एक है, जहाँ पे मोर देन 3 मिलियन यात्री डेली ट्रैवल करते हैं। ये एक मेन रेलवे स्टेशन है जहाँ से मुंबई की लोकल ट्रेन्स और आउट स्टेशन जाने वाले ट्रेन्स छूटते हैं। इस स्टेशन को बनाया गया था इन इंडो सैरासेनिक आर्किटेक्चर स्टाइल। इसे पूरा बनाने में 10 साल लग गए थे। इट वॉज ऑल्सो फॉर्मली नोन एज विक्टोरिया टर्मिनल्स। इस स्टेशन में एक छोटा म्यूजियम भी है, तो अगर आपके पास टाइम है तो आप वहां भी विजिट कर सकते हैं। इस आइकॉनिक स्टेशन को फोटो में कैप्चर करना बहुत ही मुश्किल है, और क्योंकि इसे देखने के लिए लोग बहुत दूर दूर से आते हैं, यहाँ पे स्टेशन के सामने एक सेल्फी पॉइंट बनाया है, जहाँ पे आप आराम से फोटोज क्लिक कर सकते हैं। और यहाँ पे आप सामने ही देख सकते हैं, यह BMC का हेडक्वार्टर। यहाँ आके हमने मुंबई की लोकल ट्रेन की भी सफारी कर ली, और मुंबई में रह के एक चीज तो माननी पड़ेगी, यहाँ के लोकल ट्रेन्स आर द बेस्ट एंड सेफेस्ट ऑप्शन टू ट्रैवल विद इन द सिटी। तो बस आज के लिए यहीं रुकते हैं, फिर मिलेंगे कोई और एक नई जगह लेके।
So guys, we have a picture with us and we only spent $30 for it. Isn't that a steal?
This is like a souvenir. This is so cool, like such a memory. Doesn't definitely mean that we can't have a whole hearty meal, right?
That is absolutely correct.
Cool. So McDonald's is having this amazing offer. There are these Mac Saver combos where you can choose from 30 different combos, and that's not it. They're all priced at just 59 rupees.
Now, isn't that a steal deal, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, so Jeelan, what are you having?
Well, I'm going to have the classic Macalo Tikki with my Coke.
Okay, and I am having the Muck Egg Burger with a side of Georgia iced tea. Shall we dig in?
Yeah, let's dig in.
South Bombay is that you can't not come to Causeway and do some bargain shopping, am I right?
Yeah, and today we are really put to like this pressure test क्योंकि हमारे पास एक तो budget है and we have to also put ourselves to testing our bargaining skills. तो हमारे पास जो बचे हुए अब पैसे हैं उससे let's see how much we are able to bargain.
Best of luck to us.
मैडम, सच्ची बता रहा हूँ, मिलेगा दे देगा मैं आपको।
आप इसके बाद आपके पास ही आएंगे भैया, इधर
depot to reach this garden. It's the Mumbai Port Trust Garden, which we've heard is like an amazing place. It's also called as the Botanical Garden.
That's right.
Can you actually imagine you can spend such a quiet and peaceful time in just like 5 rupees?
So after a great time in the Bombay Port Trust Garden, so we kind of have the luxury of taking a taxi. मतलब इतने लंबे दिन के बाद तो लेना बनता ही है ना?
Yeah, and we really wanted to end the day by heading to Marine Drive, so that's where we are headed. Oh, and by the way, the ticket price for the garden was 5 rupees each.
And it was totally worth it, by the way.
Finally, Marine Drive पहुंच चुके हैं. Not a time for sunset, but फिर भी Marine Drive तो Marine Drive है, right?
So it's been one eventful day here in South Bombay, and we are ending it with this gorgeous view right behind us. And believe it or not, we actually managed to save money at the end of the day.
Yeah, so from the 200 that we were both given, we managed to save this 30 rupees between the two of us, which I think is really cool. And अच्छा हुआ ये पैसे बचे, we can now go home, वरना हमें यहीं पे सोना पड़ जाता.
We're so good. Wow. I will come back every time Mumbai. I will come back here.
Okay, sir.
Thank y'all so much. Bye bye.
God bless you.
Bye bye. Wow, it's so good. And that's why I came down to the market for that right there. It was so good. The whole atmosphere was perfect. Like, you get into the local neighborhoods and people are just too friendly. Oh, that flavor, that puri, the potato mixture, it all just hit the spot. Hello. They wanted me to video him. Anyways, I wasn't going to show you the hotel I'm staying at now, even though it's an Airbnb. But since we're going to the Taj Mahal, let's go ahead and head back. If I see something, we'll stop. I'll probably get a coffee. I'll show you my room, and we'll keep the day moving. Just keep enjoying. So this is the area I'm staying in. Nice little local area, but we gotta walk back up in here. I'm gonna do a quick tour of my Airbnb. $70 a night. Was gonna show you, but probably need to. I need to show you all the ranges of stuff you can get in Mumbai. So, like I said, just like a little local neighborhood. We're back up in here. Nice little cool little Jeep. And right here to the left, here I am. That's me up there. So it's kind of a funny little situation here, isn't it? Head on up. I think there's somebody lives. Well, there's definitely people that live down here. I hear them at night. Climb up the steps we go. So, welcome. I guess you've seen this if you've seen the other video, but got me a nice little sitting area here. Wow. Strong enough to hold me, even after all the Indian food I've had. Oh no, where's my key? There we go. So, welcome. Now the hardest part I had about this place was the lights. So these, oh my gosh, we'll actually turn on lights back there. Probably pretty dark in here now. So, let's get some lights going. That is bathroom. There's that one. Sorry, it's a mess. I'm getting ready to pack and go to the next place, so I'm sorry. Yeah, these lights those don't do anything. Crazy. So this is it. Big space, right? Got a couch sitting area, water. They have more water here. I mean, tons of water. And they got chilled water for you. I mean, they're really going to make sure you're good on the water side of it. Another little sitting room. So two little like couch sitting areas, a nice little desk where you can sit, coffee, milk and sugar, sorry, tea, milk and sugar if you want it.